Welcome to the demo of the 24C feature. Search for, create, and edit standard operations using the Redwood user experience in Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing. With this feature, you can now create and edit standard operations for in-house and supplier operations, and associate resources and their alternates, using the Redwood user experience. You can also search for standard operations using keywords and filters. It provides a modern and responsive user interface that helps in creation and editing of standard operations. Thus, you can build and maintain a library of template operations for quick reuse in creating and editing work definitions and work orders. This demo shows how you can search for standard operations, create a new standard operation, associate a resource, and define an alternate resource, and edit a standard operation using the Redwood user experience. Being in the Work Definition work area, we will click on the Manage Standard Operations task to navigate to the Standard Operations user interface in Redwood. As you can see here, the Standard Operations page is rendered in Redwood, which displays a list of standard operations that have been previously defined. Using keyword search, you have the ability to search for a standard operation by specifying either its name or code. We will now search for a standard stamping operation by entering stamping as the keyword and clicking on the search icon. The stamping operation is fetched. Now we will expand the row to review the details of the operation. As you can see here, the high-level details of the standard operation are displayed. Next, using the Active Operations filter chip, we will review the standard operations that are currently active. As you can see here, the list of standard operations is fetched with badges indicating that they are active as of the current date. You can use the available sort by options to render the list of standard operations either by alphabetical order or reverse alphabetical order. Now let's create a new standard operation by clicking on the Create Standard Operation button. We will enter the required details to create the standard operation. First, we will enter the name to create a new standard welding operation. Next, we will enter the description of the standard operation. We will set up the standard welding operation as a count point operation. Next, we will enter a code for the standard operation. Now we will set up welding shop as the designated work center for the standard operation. The values of the material transaction and operation completion validation attributes and the operation yield attribute are defaulted. These values can be modified as required by the business. Next, we will upload and associate a file as an attachment to the standard operation. Next, we will associate a primary resource to the standard operation. We will click on the Add button to associate a primary resource to the standard operation. We will select Welding Machine 1 as the primary resource. Next, we will define an alternate for the primary resource Welding Machine 1. We will click on the Add button to define an alternate resource. We will select Welding Machine 2 as the alternate resource. Having defined the alternate resource, we will click on the Apply button. All the details have been entered. Now we'll click on the Create button to create the standard operation. The new standard welding operation is successfully created, and a toast message is displayed confirming the creation. Next, we will update the description of a standard operation. We will click on the Edit option in the drop-down menu to update the standard operation. We will edit the description of the standard operation, and then click on the Update button. The assembly operation is successfully updated, and a toast message is displayed confirming the update. This concludes the demo. Thank you for watching.